What's up guys? Today we're going to show you guys how to install some decals on a truck. We already printed and masked the decal, so now we're just going to go ahead and clean it. And grab a clean towel, fold it, go ahead and wipe the surrounding area just in case there's some contaminants in there. Now that the surface is clean, we're going to go ahead and grab the decal and line it up. This is almost 10 inches. So 9.5 and 1.5 at the bottom. So let's go to the other side. We're just applying some tape to the corners, so that way when we put it on there, we can line it up and peel it off pretty easily.
The color's spot on.
All right. So now we're gonna go ahead and apply it here. And I know we measured the other side at about 9.5 inches. So I'm just gonna apply it here real quick from the body line. We're really off. 9 inches, 9.5 is about right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just remove this and come to about right here. So right there. We're still off. Okay. So we need about another to right here. It's about 9.5, just like a hair off again. Right there. Okay. So now that we measured that out, we're gonna measure with this body line, the bottom of the letters. As you can see, it's about right there and here. So we're just gonna put it up a little bit. Now we're good. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit more tape across the whole top. And go ahead and tape it up, just like this.
So basically, 3 big ass.
Rip it like this. To make this job a lot easier for us, I'm gonna go ahead and splice them. I'm gonna splice them into sections. So for example, this one right here, I'm gonna lift underneath with my fingers so I don't cut the the truck. Okay, cut this way down here like that, and I can do like this one here as well. But zoom into this so you can get this very close. You see, like this is tape, and then the white part is the actual vinyl underneath it. I'm gonna cut in here. Just like that. So now I can work with this one, the middle one, and the right one, and it'll be a little bit easier for me just to work this way, this way, this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my squeegee. So we just shifted it over, and since we already spliced it, we taped it so that it doesn't move and it's not as hard. So I'm just gonna do this piece right here, lift it up. Okay, I'll just leave this here.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and then we also do a lot of like the videography.
So go ahead and start from the middle out, just like this.
Cool ceramic pinch up. And we're actually partnering with
we're having a little problem because of this piece here.
And then if you do, you get to choose. You either get the lights or the tint, and then the next person up.
And they get like 5 million views, dude.
No way.
Wait, it isn't hurting at all. You like buy some merch, you get in there to win. So we reached out to them and we're like, hey, you guys want to go to Mexico and our bikes and get some like a really good friggin' episode? Those codes. So I'm kind of selling everything I have. Codes.
Oh, gotcha.
I'm going down and then to the left. Do this one.
They're like a pretty.
This one.
So they're just starting out. They're from China. You know, Chinese bikes used to be like like Tesla. This is the first Chinese motorcycle that is like legit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Are these like pretty?
Came out good.
What kind of engines do those have?
All I'm gonna do is peel this back.
I don't do a lot of writing or I've written one before. They fall off of it.
I'll tape it.
right?
So it's kind of like a sealer?
Yeah, it's like a sealant. And then once you put the sealant on, it's really hard for it to get back off. And he requested that for his.
In order for it to be super simple, we're gonna go ahead and splice this. Remove it.
Trailer.
New? That trailer? Like 60 grand. I bought it used.
Wait, so I have a question. You said that when you put your logo on, they're all write-offs. So how do you go about that process when it comes back?
Just going by the business, especially if you're paying 30% on taxes, dude.
Yeah, it adds up at the end of the year.
It does.
Yeah.
Like, even my fuel. So we bought the truck and fuel was costing me like $1,200 a month. For that big truck I have. You could buy this. To save money. And then I have to ride on it.
You need to go to Costco, take big ass price,